Friends, already last class we have learned to note making. Topic: study skills and communication skills. Study skills and communication skills in topic note making. Intermediate second year. What is note making? Already we have learned. Note making is not just about write down from you, hear and read. It's a process of reviewing, connecting and synthesizing idea of your lectures and reading. This is note making. Note making principles also we have learned. Already first topic they are giving one paragraph, you read and understand. How to make intention again. They are giving 10 lines, but you have made very few lines, 3, 4, 5. So they are giving your different kinds way. In yourself, you make your ability, but you make it is clearly, briefly, specific matter. Following sequential order. Sentences, sequences. Now, I read another one topic in note making. Please listen. Calls are used to publicize certain disease and raise money for a person with those disease or to fund the search for cause. The first and most ambitious project is the AIDS Memorial Quilts. Began in 1987, some 46,000 panels honor more than 83,000 people who have died of AIDS. This quilts measures 1.3 million square feet and weighs 54 tons. It has been seen by 50 million people and has risen more than $3 of million for service of people with AIDS. There are now similar quilts project to honor the victims of lupus, ovarian cancer and juvenile diabetes, to name a few. And animal lovers are making quilts to fight diseases that afflict their pets. Please understand. In the paragraph, he asking one disease, who is suffered from the disease, another one disease, and the disease was found in where is the, when did the found year of, and how many persons of people suffered there, how much of money in their dollars wise they will be spent in expenditure of the disease. Again I read, please understand. Quilts are used to publicize certain disease and raise money for person with those disease or to fund the search for cause. The first and most ambitious project is the AIDS Memorial Quilts. Began in 1987, some 46,000 panels honor more than 83,000 people who have died of AIDS. This quilts measures 1.3 million square feet and weight 54 tons. It has been seen by 15 million people and has raised more than $3 million rupees for service for people with AIDS. There are now similar quilts project to honor the victims of lupus, ovarian cancer and juvenile diabetes, to name a few, and animal lovers are making quilts to fight diseases that afflict their pets. Pets means if you have to feed the domestic animals, pets like a dog, cat, birds, parrot, peacock, it is the pet, it is the pets. Then how to make words, how to make an indentation. Indentation means new paragraph. Already we have heard and read to one paragraph about the disease. In the disease AIDS, lupus, ovarian cancer, juvenile diabetes, and 4 diseases. And they found 1987. How many people and how much of the amount? So this indentation we have to make brief, clearly specific, and sentences sequencing. How to make it deep. Already is said about that. What is that? So how to make quotes publicize. So first you make one word in a quotes. What is that quotes? Quotes first you make 1 point. 1 point. What is that paragraph? You make what is? So quotes used to publicize disease to raise funds. Please listen the point. Quotes used to publicize disease and to raise funds. In their disease, what is that? AIDS, lupus, ovarian cancer, and juvenile diabetes. 4 diseases. So, and raise funds. So, the funds is first point. What is that first point? Quotes used to publicize disease and to raise funds. In their point was first A point. A for service. Already funds are expenditure funds 3 millions of rupees for service. So first service, and second B. A is for service. B to raise funds for stitching cuts. So unfortunately affected from the people disease. So they are not do that mistake, but they are suffering from disease. First of all, now we are suffering from COVID-19, corona virus affected. So somebody is neglecting, but somebody is very careful, but they are taken to very carefully. Finally, they are also affected the disease. It is the curse, not only his mistake. So someone has affected from the disease. So first point in first year for service. Secondly, to raise fund for searching curse. And first point completed. First point in second. First point in ABC also completed. And second one point. We have made second one point. What is the second point? AIDS memorial quotes. AIDS memorial quotes. AIDS memorial quotes in first one. The first and the most ambitious AIDS memorial quotes. The second point. Second, already first point raised. In second, first point ABC. We are fulfilled. And second one point rise now. Second one AIDS memorial quotes. In second points, first point. Second one in first point. The first and the most ambitious. Second point in second one. Begin in 1987. Already we have read about the second point in second one. Begin in 1987. And second one, third point. 46,000 panels honor more than 83,000 victims of AIDS. Please listen. Second point in third one, 46 panels honor more than 83,000 victims of AIDS. In second one, fourth point, 1.3 million square feet, 54 tons. Second one, fourth point, 1.3 million square feet, 53 tons. And second one, fifth point. Second point in fifth point, 15 million people visited and $3 million raised. Second one, fifth point, I repeat. 15 million people visited and $3 million raised. Already first point in AB and second point 1 to 5th point. And third one point, other Qualls project. Other Qualls project. They will be conducted projects. Other Qualls project. First point. Third one in first point. The honor of victims. The honor of victims. Honor of victims. Public is suffering from these diseases. What is the diseases? AIDS, lupus, ovarian cancer, juvenile diabetes. So, third point in first point. Point third. In third one, first point. The honor of victims of. Honor of victims. So, victims has suffered. Which one? Third one. Third one. In A. Lupus. B. Ovarian cancer. C. Juvenile diabetes. Mainly 3 of diseases. Third point, first one, in A. Lupus disease. B is ovarian cancer. C is juvenile diabetes. And third one, second point. To fight disease affecting pet animals. These diseases are affecting pet animals. Third one, second point. The fight disease affecting pet animals. So, please listen. Already we read here the passage, paragraph. Then we make clearly, briefly, sequencing following sentence and clearly, brief. We have made 3 points. In 3 points, we have measured to one word answer. Already, how to make note making. So, reminding, thank you students, reminding paragraph and we have to learn next class to continue. Thank you students.